But there are still a few months before the new session, and today Democrats overcame the 60-vote filibuster to advance the Respect for Marriage Act. It would add federal protections for same-sex marriages. WRTV's Cornelius Hocker shows us why a man who fought for gay marriage rights in Indiana says this federal action is needed.
Greg Hasty has a lot to say about the federal government inching closer to protecting same-sex marriages. He and his husband CJ brought a lawsuit that eventually struck down Indiana's ban on gay marriage. Here's Greg in 2014.
So to have that relationship protected means the world to us. It's a safety, comfort, knowing that we're now officially married.
And here's Greg now.
It felt great. It felt great to have security and to start a family in a secure way.
But in our conversation, Greg was frank about the work still left to do for the LGBTQ plus community.
It would be comical if it wasn't so painful, right, for so many of us to look at the way we are tossed around a little bit as a wedge issue, as a political tool.
State legislatures across the country are rolling out dozens of anti-LGBTQ plus bills. And during the overturning of Roe v. Wade, Justice Clarence Thomas signaled he'd like to reverse the landmark same-sex marriage decision, Obergefell versus Hodges. Greg says codifying same-sex marriage into law just made sense.
We were getting a sense of kind of a court that was willing to really strike at precedent, especially long settled, so it would make us feel uncomfortable with even new precedent, right?
12 Republican senators, including Todd Young, joined all 50 Democrats to advance the Respect for Marriage Act.
Really proud of Todd Young. We actually had a great chance to talk to his office. Several of us that were involved in Freedom for Indiana or in marriage equality cases, and his staff gave us a lot of time to tell stories and really listen to the impact that marriage equality has had on our families, and what would happen if we lost that, I think more importantly.
Even though things aren't perfect, Greg knows the impact the Respect for Marriage Act passing will have on LGBTQ plus families is monumental.
For me, I think it's excellent. It should be at least one sigh of relief for a lot of families across the country who, when this passes, will be able to kind of safely sleep at night knowing their family unit can stay intact.
Cornelius Hocker, WRTV.
The Respect for Marriage Act would not require all states to legalize same-sex marriage, but it would require states to recognize legal marriages from other states. Lawmakers will likely pass the bill after Thanksgiving recess.